In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're diving straight into how to build a prospecting list inside your CRM. If you're looking for a fast, straightforward way to get started building your list and boosting your outreach, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to take control of your prospecting process. First, let's talk about why building a solid prospecting list inside your CRM is crucial. A strong list helps you focus your marketing efforts on the right people, increases conversion rates, and makes sure you're staying organized and efficient. You want your CRM to work for you, not the other way around. And I'm going to show you how to do just that. Start by deciding on the type of leads you want to target. Do you want to reach out to cold leads, or are you focusing on warmer prospects? A well-built list starts with clear segmentation. You can either create a new list or update an existing one, depending on your CRM. Next, filter your leads. Most CRMs will allow you to filter by demographics, behavior, location, and past interactions. You should focus on people who have shown interest in your products or services before, or those who match your ideal customer profile. This is where segmentation plays a huge role, because the more tailored your list, the better your outreach will be. Once you've selected your criteria, start building your list. Simply apply the filters you've set, and your CRM will generate a list of prospects that match. You can tweak your filters and save them for future use. Don't forget to keep an eye on the data you're collecting too. This helps you identify patterns and refine your targeting over time. Now here's an important step. Be sure to clean your list. The last thing you want is to waste time and resources reaching out to invalid or outdated contacts. Make sure you regularly remove duplicates, update any outdated information, and check for inactive leads. Once your list is built, it's time to organize it. Create tags, labels, or categories to segment your list even further based on where prospects are in the sales funnel or their engagement with your content. This helps you track where each prospect stands and follow up appropriately. Finally, integrate your list with your email marketing or outreach tools inside the CRM. This lets you automate follow-ups, segment your messages, and personalize your outreach. The best CRM software will help you streamline this process, saving you time and effort while maintaining a personal touch. If you've been searching for CRM software to help you with this process, you're in luck. I've tried some of the most popular options out there, and I'm recommending this software, which offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below, so you can follow along with this tutorial. So, what's the key takeaway from today? To build an effective prospecting list, you need to segment your audience, filter leads based on the right criteria, clean your list regularly, and organize it for easy follow-up. This process ensures that your CRM is working as a powerful tool for your outreach efforts. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I recommended in the description. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure you don't miss out. To recap, define your target audience, apply filters, clean and organize your list, and integrate it with your outreach tools. That's how you build a solid prospecting list inside your CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.